supine, all you just do is abduct the shoulder to 90 degrees and externally rotate the shoulder. Then what you would do is to stabilize yung proximal humerus, then just apply externally rotated force. So we have two modifications for this. Tatlo pala siya. Kapag naglagay ka ng closed fist sa may ilalim ng shoulder, this is called your fulcrum test. Fulcrum test. Tapos yung isa niyang modification, yes. So, abduct the shoulder, externally rotate the shoulder. Then kapag nilagyan mo siya ng closed fist sa ilalim, that's already your fulcrum test. Yung isa na pang modification, this test is also used to check for posterior translation. What you will do is just to apply posteriorly directed force while performing external rotation sa shoulder ng patient. Usually, kapag may anterior instability yung patient, meaning yung feeling ng patient pag perform external rotation is magpapop yung head anteriorly. Yun ang positive sign niya, ibig sabihin may pain at apprehension. Pero pag yung posteriorly directed force ang in-apply mo, yung patient, mawawala yung kanyang apprehension tsaka yung pain. And further external rotation can be performed. Okay? Another modification for your apprehension test is when you remove your posteriorly directed force, patient will become apprehended again. Ibig sabihin, feeling na naman niya magpapop yung humeral head anteriorly. So when you perform this, you either perform this with your fist closed, then you perform external rotation, then check for the reaction of the patient, if the patient is apprehended or the patient feels pain. So pag nakaramdam siya doon, positive. Another one, yung modification niya would be your posterior apprehension. So ang tawag doon is your Hobe relocation test or your Fowler sign. Fowler sign kasi, when you perform or add posteriorly directed force while performing external rotation, the apprehension of the patient disappears as well as the pain. Then another modification is your surprise test, wherein after applying your posteriorly directed force and externally rotating the shoulder, you release your posteriorly directed force, the patient becomes apprehended again. So that's your surprise test. So tatlong modification yon. First is your crack fulcrum by putting closed fist under the patient's posterior shoulder. Next is when you perform yung posteriorly directed force, that will be called your Fowler sign or Fowler test or your Hobe relocation test. Then the other one is when you release your posteriorly directed force, then the patient becomes apprehended again. So that's positive for surprise test. So those are the three modifications of your apprehension or crack test.